Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we can see that gold is trading at a level of $1928. Okay, and what we have seen, a swing has formed at a high at a level of around $1891. Okay, now if you look at this particular swing, what we have seen, there is a continuous upside. Okay, and if you look at this upside from 3 days, there is a continuous high and a doji candle has formed before that, and chances are very high we can see it can go further upside because it has already crossed this particular support at a level of around $1880, and now it is trading above a particular support at a level of 1919. Okay, and once it sustain above a level of around 1961, then you can say it can go further upside because this is a strong resistance, so chances are very high it can go further upside. Okay, so from 3 days there is a continuous upside. So before we move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. See, this is a trend forming since 2022. Okay, after that this is the small trend. If you look at this particular trend, what we have seen that a pattern is trying to form and chances of going further upside is there. Okay, till the time it is, if it goes below a level of 1883, then you can say it can go further down, or if it goes below a level of 1891. Okay, on this particular way, if it goes below 1891, then you can see yes, there will be a breakout because this level we have not seen since 2 months, so chances of going further down we can see. But once it started moving below $1888, then you can see it can go further down. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, chances are very high yes, it can sustain, and a probability is that it can cross a level of around $7. Okay, so once the price sustain above $1937, chances of crossing further upside we can see it can touch a level of around 1942, and if the price move above that particular level, it can cross a level of around $1948. Okay, so once the price sustain above 1948, then a probability of going towards 1956 is there, and from there we can see it can cross a level of around $1962. Okay, so once the price sustain above 1962, then a probability of going further upside we can see, and chances of touching a level of 1973 is there. Okay, so once the price move above that particular level, it can go further upside. So understand what is the main thing. Okay, if the price move above a level of 1961, then only we can see it can go further high. Okay, because this is the resistance we can see. So once the price sustain above this level, chances of going further upside will be there for the price of gold, and then a fast move towards the upside we can see, because this will act as a support once the price move above that particular level. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, okay, as of now probability of going further upside will be there. But suppose if this level didn't sustain, what you can see that the next support coming at a level of around $1923, and if the price fall below that particular level, it can go further down towards a level of around 1917. Okay, and once the price fall below 1917, then a probability of touching a level of 1912 is there, and if the price fall below that particular level, it can cross a level of around $1907 to a level of 1900. Okay, and once it fall below 1900, then chances of touching a level of $1891 is there, and if that level move further down, then a probability of going further down we can see. Okay, keep that in mind. Once the price fall below a level of $1891, chances of very high it can go further low towards a level of 1873 is also there. Okay, again I repeat, suppose if the price fall below this particular level, then a probability of touching a level of 1892 is there, and from there we can see a level of 1886 to a level of 1882. Once the price fall below that level, then we can see a level of $1873 and to a level of 1865. Okay, and if the price fall below 1865, then a probability of touching a level of 1858 is there, and once the price fall below that level, then we can see it can go further. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.